Alright, so how to browse the internet for free using an unlimited VPN. So this is the right video for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So we are going to follow 3 main steps in this video. So the first step, we are going to install the app, and I'll take you through the best settings for it to work for you in the second step. And finally, we are going to test it. Alright, so let's get working with the first step. So we are going to open the Play Store. So on the Play Store, tap on the search button, and then we are going to enter this name, UT Loop VPN. So this VPN is in 2 versions. We have the Lite and the Pro. So it works differently on different phones. So whichever one works on your phone, then you should go by that one. So with me, the Pro works fine for me. So I'm going to click on the first one here. You can check on the reviews before we go further, or as you can see that a lot of people are saying it is working for them. Okay, so let's go and hit the install button here. Right, so let's just wait for it to finish installing, and then we can move to the next step. Okay. Alright, it is done installing. So but before we move to the next step, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's continue. Alright, so go ahead and click on the open, and this is going to bring us to the first time interface. Okay, so if you want to allow notifications, you can go ahead and click on the allow, but I'm going to click on disallow. I don't want distractions. And then I'm going to click on OK here. Join the Telegram group. Just click on later, and then we move. Alright, so we are going to do a few settings here. Alright, so the first part is to select the best server and the fastest one, of course, that will work best for you, or depending on the country that you are coming from. Okay, alright, so we're going to click on the first button here, and then we're going to select all the best server that works for you. Of course, you can leave it on the fastest server. That means that it's going to automatically select the best server that works best in your country for you. But I think I'm going to select the United States. It works good for me. I'm done with that, so I'm going to select my country where it says direct for the first time. So click on it, and then you are going to scroll all the way until you find your country, and then you select it. Okay, right, I'm going down there. Then I'm going to come down here where it says Ghana, so you can select your preferred country. So with Ghana, we have a lot of offers, and I think the 500 MB for day works fine for me. So you can go through all of them to see which one works for you, but I'm going for the 500 megabytes per day. I'm going to click on it. Alright, so we are done with the first 2 settings, which is good to go. But the last part is to add more time. Automatically, the app gives you 30 minutes for the first time, okay? But if the 30 minutes is exhausted, you can add more time by watching ads, and then you get extra time to continue browsing, okay? Alright, so the 30 minutes is okay for me, but in case you want to add more time, let's go ahead and click on the add time. You're going to have it here at the bottom here, watch video and get 4 hours more. So I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to load the ads for us to watch. Alright, so that is it. So I'm just going to close this ad. As you can see, we now have 4 hours to browse for free. I think that is enough for me. So you can go on and add more time by watching ads. Okay. Right, so now we are moving to the last step, that is to test this VPN and see whether it works. So you can go on to open your browser to browse and see whether it works. But I'm going to open my YouTube app to see whether it works. Right, and let's see. We're going to watch some videos and see whether this one works good for us. As you can see, it is loading quite fine for us. Alright, I'm going to watch my own videos and see. Let's click on the first video here. And you can see it works perfectly, and the speed is quite good. Okay, so you can see it works perfectly at the moment. But one thing about this VPN is that it works today, but you don't know what happens tomorrow. So take the opportunity now, and then tomorrow when it doesn't work, please we can move to another one. Alright, so that is it for today, and hope to see you next time again, and stay safe and goodbye.